So we should just get it good.
Yeah. Okay.
So make me do it good. With just 2 ingredients, this genius recipe might just change how you make breakfast. The eggs are caramelized with the help of a very unexpected ingredient. Did I get all the things? Okay. So if you've seen these videos before, you probably know that I love eggs and I always love finding new ways to make them. So if you have any favorite genius ways to make eggs, please tell us in the comments. But for now, we're just gonna get started with this one, which I had never seen anything like this before. Scrambling eggs, frying eggs, you've probably done it 100 times before, and you're always using something like butter or oil to lubricate the pan and make sure things don't stick and make sure the egg tastes really good and help it cook. In this recipe, they don't use either of those, but a little bit of heavy cream. So this recipe comes from the duo behind Ideas in Food, the blog, the cookbook series. Their names are Aki Kamazawa and Alex Talbot, and every time I go to their blog or open one of their cookbooks, I learn something new and see something that I have never thought of doing before. One thing that's unusual about this recipe is you're starting in a cold pan, and as it's heating up over medium-high, the cream is going to separate into butterfat and buttermilk. Butterfat is, helping cook eggs normally. The milk is helping steam those whites, so they're cooking really gently. So you end up with perfectly cooked whites, these kind of nutty brown buttery bits that have caramelized on the bottom, and the eggs overall are just a completely different experience from fried eggs you've had before. So these are almost set. And this is the part where we want to throw a lid on to help them finish cooking from above so that we don't overcook the bottoms in the process. I love going to Aki and Alex's blog and cookbooks whenever I'm looking for genius recipes. When I found this recipe, I was going to their blog to look up something else, and then this was on the front page of their website, and I had to try it. Okay, these look perfect. This is a moment when you're really happy that you have a nonstick pan, because hopefully the eggs will come out cleanly and you're losing a lot less of that deliciousness to the pan too. So you can see the bottom, how it's caramelized there, since that little bit fell off. It's not always gonna come out of the pan perfectly, but it's the taste that matters. So the butteriness really comes through. The bottoms are caramelized and kind of sweet. And this is a really great template for doing whatever you want. Cook other things in cream, put other stuff in the cream if you want. This is a new technique that you can use a million different ways. For more genius recipes like this every week, I guarantee you there will be more eggs. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And please, if you have any favorites, do tell me in the comments. I would really love to hear about them. I will see you next week.